In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a link in bio page on Systemi.io. We'll walk through this step by step so you can follow along even if you're completely new to the platform. A link in bio page is that simple scrollable page where you can send people from Instagram, TikTok, or any social profile and then direct them to all your important links in one place. First, log into your Systemi.io account. Once you're inside your main dashboard, look at the top menu. Find the option labeled Sites, hover your mouse over it, and a drop-down will appear. From that drop-down, click on Sales Funnels. This is where all your funnels live. In the top right corner, you'll see a Create button. Go ahead and click that to start a brand new funnel. A pop-up window will open asking for some basic details. Give your funnel a clear and simple name so you'll recognize it later. Something like link in bio, for example. Then choose the domain you want to use for this funnel. After that, set the funnel goal to custom, since we're building a special type of page, not a typical sales funnel. Next, choose your currency. This is mostly for consistency, even if you're not directly selling from this page right away. When everything looks good, click Save at the bottom and wait for the page to load. You'll be taken back to your list of funnels, where you'll now see the new custom funnel you just created. Click on it to open. Inside your funnel, look at the bottom of the left sidebar and click Add Step. Another pop-up will appear. Give this specific funnel step a name, for example, Link in Bio Page. Then click the drop-down for the funnel type and scroll until you find Link in Bio. Select that option. Now choose whether you want to start from a template or from scratch. For most people, starting from a template is faster and easier, so we'll go with a template here. Once you've made your choice, click Save. The page will reload again, and now you'll see your new link in bio funnel step listed on the left sidebar. On the right, you can browse through the available templates. Take a moment to look for a layout and style that fits your brand. When you find one you like, click on it. Then, on its right side, click Edit Page. This will open the page in the visual editor. Inside the editor, you'll see a live preview of your page on the right, and on the left sidebar, you'll see the elements and blocks you can add, such as text, buttons, images, and more. When you click on any element in the preview, its editing and styling options will appear on the left. Here you can change the text of your buttons to match your links, adjust colors and fonts to your branding, and rearrange sections so your most important links appear at the top. Take your time to replace any placeholder content with your own social links, website, products, or offers. As you work, it's a good habit to save frequently so you don't lose any changes. When you're happy with how everything looks and you're done editing for now, go to the top right corner and click Save. Once it's saved, your link in bio page is live and ready to share on your social profiles.